Oppo F7. Oppo F7 smartphone was launched in March 2018. The phone comes with a 6.23-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2280 pixels. The Oppo F7 is powered by 2 MHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P60 processor, and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 256 GB via a microSD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Oppo F7 packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 25-megapixel front shooter. For selfies, the Oppo F7 runs Android 8.1 and is powered by a 3400 mAh non-removable battery. It measures 156.00 by 75.30 by 7.80 height x width x thickness and weigh 158.00 grams. The Oppo F7 is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, USB OTG, FM, 3G and 4G, with support for Band 40 used by some LTE networks in India. Sensors on the phone include compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope. Display and camera. The Oppo F7 flaunts a 6.2-inch IPS LCD display which exhibits a screen resolution of 1080x 2246 pixels. It results in a great 402 ppi pixel density. The display is protected from scratches by a Corning Gorilla Glass. The smartphone is available in 3 different color options, namely black, gold and red. A fingerprint sensor is present for your convenience. For capturing excellent pictures, the smartphone has a dual primary camera setup having one 6MP and 5MP cameras.